Red Magic has just unveiled their first ever gaming tablet, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet. This impressive device is packed with top-notch features that are sure to excite gamers. So without wasting any time, let's explore the product itself. Let's start with the display. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet has a stunning 12.1-inch 2.5K LED screen, which has been jointly customized with BOE, a renowned display manufacturer. The display offers a fantastic visual appearance with its 144Hz high refresh rate and a 240Hz touch sampling rate. Not only that, but it also covers 100% of the DCI-P3 white color gamut and has a contrast ratio of 1500:1. The visuals truly come to life on this remarkable huge screen, and on the front you will also find a 16-megapixel front camera. The Red Magic Gaming Tablet features a sleek, all-metal integrated body design equipped with powerful quad speakers for an immersive audio experience. Over the back you can see a clean finish with the Red Magic logo in the mid. The camera module has a rectangular shape and it has been made on a PCB circuit housing a 13-megapixel camera. Inside the tablet you will find Red Magic's signature cooling processors, including the ICE cooling system, composite graphene, high thermal conductivity gel, and a large area aviation aluminum back cover. These advanced cooling technologies would surely ensure excellent temperature control performance during intense gaming sessions. Under the hood, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, and this processor is enough to deliver exceptional performance, as evidenced by its outstanding benchmark score of over 1300,000 points. In fact, it secured the top spot in the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 Antutu benchmark for both mobile phones and tablets. Gamers can expect smooth and responsive gameplay with this powerful processor. To accompany its performance, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet comes equipped with a substantial 10,000 mAh battery, and the best part, it supports 80-watt fast charging, enabling you to recharge the tablet from empty to full in just 55 minutes. You will be back in the game with a fully powered device in no time. It also includes a matching magnetic keyboard and stylus, providing users with enhanced versatility and productivity options. The tablet is running on Red Magic OS 8.0. It features a Red Magic Game Space, a dedicated gaming hub that offers a wide range of gaming plugins to enhance your gaming experience. Moreover, the tablet incorporates the GameX Gravity platforms, which enables seamless integration with peripherals for playing PC games. In addition to its gaming-focused features, the Red Magic Gaming Tablet also includes essential tablet functionalities like screencast or file sharing with other devices. With its impressive display, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, long-lasting battery, and super quick charging, there is no doubt that the Red Magic Tablet is a comprehensive package for gamers who seek both performance and power. Let me know what are your opinion about this device in comments below. Make sure to subscribe our channel to enjoy more content like this, and as always, keep watching and keep smiling.